Hi, I'm Greg Denning. There's a few things that all of us want. We want to be productive, we want to be happy, and we want to be healthy. We want to go through our days and just say, I got something done that really mattered, and I felt good. I was, feeling alive and happy and contented with my life, and I want to be healthy. I want to feel good, right? That my body's working and I'm just energized and alive and excited to have another day of life. Albert Gray said, every single qualification for success is acquired by habit. Oh, isn't that amazing? Every single qualification for success is acquired through habit. So we've got to set up habits every day that bring those things. And so it doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes we make things way too complicated. So we just make it simple. I want to be productive. Well, great people, great achievers, they work from a list. So one simple thing I would suggest, every night, make a list of the top 3 to 5 things that you have to get done the next day, that are your top priorities. Now, don't trick yourself into thinking like, doing the easy things. Do the most important things, and those aren't always the most urgent things. So to be productive every day, make a quick list before bed. We're talking 30 seconds, 60 seconds of the top things you want to accomplish the next day. Get up in the morning and get to work on them. Number 2, how to be happy every day. Decide. Just decide to be happy, and then get up and say, I'm going to be happy today. I choose happiness. And no matter what happens, I'm going to still choose happiness, right? Come what may, I'm going to be happy. I'm going to choose happiness. I'm going to choose good feelings. And then go out and do the things that bring happiness. A little hint here. It's not always going to be the things that bring pleasure or, that are kind of selfish or self-serving. In fact, for the most part, the things that bring the most happiness in life are the things we're giving. So we're not going out looking for someone to make us happy. We're actually going out trying to help others be happy. We're giving, we're serving, we're loving. And that's going to bring back so much happiness. So every day, do something for someone else. Oh, man, that'll make your life so much richer. And then be healthy. Oh, too many of us are killing ourselves, man. Just eat well. It's that easy. Just say, no, I'm not gonna put junk into my body anymore. No more carbonated drinks or syrupy, sugary things. No more junk food. I'm just gonna cut that out. I'm just gonna eat good, healthy food, right? It's just a simple habit that will totally transform your life. You'll have more energy. You'll feel better. Just get good fuel in that body. And again, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's not some complex diet or program. It's not some big gym membership with a trainer. It's just simply getting some good exercise 3 to 5 times a week. Just get out and do something you enjoy. And then eat well. And I promise you'll feel so much better. I've been eating excellently for 20 years now. I made a commitment to cut out all junk food and sugars and garbage and to exercise 20 years. And I have so much energy. I just feel alive. And so I'm spending time with my family. We're traveling around the world. We're serving. We're loving. We're doing. We're working on things that matter to us. And we're doing it in a consistent way. And so every day we're productive, we're happy, and we're healthy. And it makes life awesome. Now, if you want more on this stuff, visit gregdenning.com. Put in your name and email there. I'll send you over great trainings and proven strategies to help you live life on your terms to the fullest, to really supercharge your life. Be excited about it. Be happy and healthy and energized and alive and getting things done that really matter. Reach upward.